Girl, what is that? I'm just a hairy girl. Ooh. Only Coors have dry ass skin. Rude. Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonia, and in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing a huge Amazon beauty haul, and I'm gonna be trying things out and letting you know whether or not I should keep them or they should go back, or if I recommend them, if I like the way they smell, how it feels on my skin, all of that, okay? So we're gonna be covering a ton of things. Hair care, skincare mostly, and there are some like products for like hair removal. There is, I believe, at least one nail product involved because I know I've been doing a lot of nail videos, but I can't wait to show you guys all these goodies, and I'm trying them on. So I'm gonna be washing my face a few times throughout the duration of this video, and this is why I don't have any makeup on right now, but I'm gonna show you all the products that I am using and testing. So sit back, get relaxed, and let's get into this video. First up, let's start with Pink Sugar. This is their Creamy Sunshine, and it's a perfume. So it comes in a little tube like this. You might have seen the classic one, which is a pink tube, and it smells just like cotton candy. So this is what this one looks like. Right in my mouth, cool. Okay. I can see what they're saying about it being like creamy sunshine. It smells like a creamsicle tastes. This is the Essie Hard to Resist Nail Strengthener, and it's got like a little pink hue to it. I think it was Dior who had something similar, but it was like $50. Like, huh? No. This is way cheaper, and I always recommend using a hardener or a strengthener as your base because it just makes sense. It just makes sense. Hopefully you guys can't hear that sound. It is, I believe my neighbor's taking a shower. There's something going on with the water pressure up in this building, which is freaking me out, and it's super distracting, especially at 1 o'clock in the morning when someone uses the restroom. It sounds like we're all gonna go down the toilet. Pray for me. Here is the Maybelline New York Green Edition Mega Mousse Mascara, and it's got all the good stuff that everybody in the world's concerned about. It's vegan, and the clean formula features 99% natural origin ingredients and a buildable lightweight volume for its bio-based fiber brush. We run out of mascara more than we run out of anything else, and I didn't realize that until I became an influencer, and my sisters were always constantly asking me for a mascara. Like, girl, what are you doing, eating it? I just have really, really short lashes, and this is why I have to buy mine, because you can't see them. But that did make a difference. Next up is Grande Glow. This is a plumping liquid highlighter, which I'm like, okay, do I really want a plumping product on my face? Yeah. yeah. Whoa, okay. I don't think I can wear it by itself, but maybe in combination with something else. Maybe with like a lipstick underneath. Okay. I don't know why I didn't think I was gonna like it, but look at my cheek. Okay, all right. On my lips, I can feel like some kind of tingling. On my cheeks, I don't feel anything at all, but the glow alone makes my skin look healthier. Believe it or not, the older we're getting, the more hydrated we want our skin to look. Only Coors have dry ass skin, okay? So try to keep this alive. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Slicks, and I have 3 shades here, but I'm only gonna try on one of them, and it's called Love Language. My love language to others, like outward, would definitely have to be gift giving. And my love language in return would have to be acts of service and words of affirmation. Let me know what yours are in the comments below. Okay. Non-sticky formula. I really don't gravitate towards like pinky glosses just because honestly it just makes my teeth look really yellow and it's not buttery right now, so that's great. I'm gonna use a little bit of that Grande Glow on the center of my lip right there because I don't want to go crazy. See? That looks better. This does make my lip look a little bit more plump. but I would definitely be focusing more on my skin than on my lips when using the Grande. Here's an eyeshadow palette from Jane Iredale? I don't know how to pronounce that, but this palette has 6 different shimmer shades. So if you're into shimmer, I love it because you can just give yourself a little pop. You can also use a really thin brush to do like liner. And this is without the water, and this is with the water. Okay, so moving on, I have Color Science. This is their Sun Forgettable Total Protection Color. You can use this both on your lips or on your cheeks. Adding color and protection at the same time. Speaking of SPF, we have the MD Solar Sciences MD Solar Sciences Protect and Nourish Mineral Cream. This is their SPF 50 sunscreen, and it looks like this. So it's really important to add a sunscreen to your everyday face routine, whether you're wearing makeup or not. You always have to wear sunscreen. And if you didn't know this already, you minimize the chances of getting skin cancer by 50% every time you apply your sunscreen. That was really nice. Oh my gosh, that feels really good to the touch as well. It's not heavy. There was a little bit of a white cast in the beginning, but as it starts to seep into my skin, no white cast. Another brand that I really like is Kula, and the packaging, first of all, is super cute. Love this. This is a face mist that has SPF, like sunscreen, and typically it smells like a tropical vacation. So if you're at home like me, you can get the vibes. Just close your eyes. The scent kind of reminds me of the lotion that your mom would put on you when you get chicken pox. Does anybody get chicken pox anymore? I don't know. And I have to be careful what I'm wearing because this one is like pretty oily on the oily side, and it's water resistant. That doesn't mean it's waterproof. So if you're having to go time in the water, it will come off, duh. I am going to start doing my skincare. This one here is a product that I've seen for years online. I just never got it because I just use washcloths or makeup remover wipes and things like that. But it's this little guy, and he can be a little bit, you're like, girl, what is that? What the heck is that? PDM Clean Mini. It's a smart facial cleansing device, and it's got a silicone brush and anti-aging massager, clears pores and blackheads, lifts, firms, and tones skin using a sonic glow vibration technology. Now, I don't know too much about all that, so I have to do a deep dive on this. But it feels really good. I'm like, oh, okay, all right. Girl, I don't know, if you needed an excuse to buy other things, I mean, here it is. It's also got different modes. I mean, I don't know how aggressive you're trying to wash your face. This is the Philosophy Purity One-Step Cleanser. Deep cleans pores and eliminates makeup buildup. Helps remove skin-damaging pollutants, tones, and lightly hydrates. I'm just gonna add a little bit of this and then go grab a towel because I'm not trying to make a complete splash zone right here. And when I tell you that the Kula is water resistant, okay, never mind, I changed my mind. It is. Like, it just fell off my face. Okay, I really need to wash my face now. So we have a little bit of the cleanser, and then I have my little tool. I'm going to pick up some of that cleanser like these. Oh, my vision's kind of like, ugh. Can you guys start to see the little bubbles forming? Oh, all right. Maybe this is gonna be the way that I get my son to wash his face, because he's in that puberty stage where he's starting to get blackheads and pimples all over the place. So maybe this might be fun for him to wash his face. Hopefully I'm saying it correctly because I literally am obsessed with this brand, okay? I've seen it back in the day when I used to spend my money like a fool in Barney's, and I actually purchased it because of a brand trip that I went on to Cincinnati, and I want to say that the hotel's called 21C, if I remember. And they have these like yellow penguins everywhere. It was my favorite, still to this day, my favorite hotel I've ever stayed in, and the products were all this in the shower. So of course, naturally I had to call room service and ask for more because I had to take some home with me. I'm a hoarder. And you guys, it's like the best. It smells really good, and the scents on their products is like kind of funky. My favorite is cilantro. And I know that sounds weird, but trust me when I say this, it's the best. I need to get me like a hand lotion or like a body lotion, or maybe even the body wash, maybe all of them, in the cilantro scent, because I love it. It just brings me back memories. But this is their face mask, and this is the consistency. It's really thick. Gel to foam mask that deeply purifies and locks in moisture, leaving skin feeling instantly clean and hydrated. And I'm sure if I add water to it, it's gonna get crazy. I don't have that water situation right now because I'm in my bedroom, so I'll be right back. This is new to me. I need to back up the camera just a bit so you can get a better look at it. It's huge. It's almost like a mini record. Look how big this is. These are eye patches, and they come in packages like this. Hopefully I'm opening it okay like that. I will open everything up like a stray animal. Stray animal. Uh-oh. Ooh. What you're concentrating on in the corner are your crow's feet. Trying to get rid of any of these little lines. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna be 38 in less than a month, so your girl is trying to keep it looking fresh. Here we go. Here are a couple of other masks, sheet masks, and we've got two of them here from ESW Beauty. There's a Detox mask and also a Pineapple Bliss revitalizing mask, and it's cute because they look like little juice bottles. Oh girl, this actually fits my face, and I'm surprised because usually it doesn't fit my face. Usually it's too small, so then I can't even see out of my eyeballs. The hole around my mouth is usually really small, where I can't even eat with this mask on. Rude. I just need to just chill in this mask, I'm sure. And then there's still some more product in here. I feel like I can take it out and like rub it on my neck. You apply the mask onto your face and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. Remove the mask and gently pat remaining essence into your face. Like I said. Here is a product from Coors, and this is their Santorini Grape Poreless Skin Cream, and it has salicylic acid for smooth and balanced skin. The box is a little bit beat up, but here's what the packaging looks like. Gorgeous. Anything from Coors is gonna smell really good. So let's see here. Feels good and it smells amazing. Definitely doesn't smell like the typical grape, which would be like grape soda. How does my skin look? Girl, don't lie. Looking fire. I gotta put this to the side because this is my jam right now. Okay, moving on to a product from Neutrogena. This is their Sun Rescue After Sun Rehydrating Spray with hyaluronic acid, and it says it gives 48 hours of moisturization. Excuse me, what? I'm pretty sure they just made up that word because I've never heard that in my life, but it sounds good. Light mist helps restore dehydrated skin and helps prevent peeling for a long-lasting, healthy look. Okay, if you're like me and sizzle like a piece of bacon as soon as you walk out the door, I am just prone to burning and blistering and peeling. So this is definitely going to be something that I have to bring with me on trips, or just have ready for me in the restroom after I shower and try to protect my skin from peeling. Smells good. Here's my arm without it, and then here's my arm with it. There's a little bit of shine there. It's not greasy. It almost feels like a really thin lotion. It smells like aloe. So if you guys are watching this and you're not Latino, like that's one of our biggest things to put on our skin when we get burned from the sun is to go in the backyard and pick off like a stem of the aloe vera plant and rub like that gooey, it's almost like boogers, all over your skin, and it feels really good. It's like super soothing, but it's gross, right? You're like, argh. So that is like the new modern version of how it feels, because it is cooling. Like when the air hits me, it feels cool. Here is a product from Mario Badescu. Is that how you say it? Listen, everybody messes up my name. It's Sonia Castaneda or Castaneda, and it's y'all's turn, okay? This is their coconut body butter, and at first sight, when I was like, oh my gosh, this is really thick, creamy. It looks like it's been whipped by the Lord himself, and it smells amazing. Okay, so I can't wait to put this on my vanity countertop because I know I'm going to end up using it all. It feels really amazing in my hands too. This one does really give me that luxury feel, and my skin just looks amazing. I did mention a hair removal tool in this video, and this is the Finishing Touch Flawless Facial Hair Remover, and it says it's pain-free, ultra precision because there is a light involved. It also comes with the batteries. It's for fine hair, so I'm not sure if you can take this down under. I tried waxing myself this weekend and it was a huge fail. I'm just gonna shave it. If you guys are looking to get rid of your little mustache or a little peach fuzz on your face, you can holler at this product here. My family, we're just like hairy individuals, so I should have a handlebar if I didn't control it. I'm just a hairy girl. And last but not least, and very fitting because not least in the slightest, would have to be a shampoo and conditioner from Pureology, and I can't say enough about this product. At first I was like, oh hell no, because of how much it cost. These are 9-ounce bottles, and it can be, depending on where you purchase it, on Amazon, I'm telling you it's the cheapest. Make sure it's from their actual site and not just from any rando that's selling on Amazon. It has to be from Pureology, okay? Look for that premium beauty banner. Anyways, this is the best. I wanted to cut the bottle open and grab the rest of the product out because that's how good it was. My sister found a dupe at Costco, Kirkland brand, and it was all over the internet saying that it was a dupe for this, and it was like $18 I believe for the shampoo and conditioner. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is, and that's what I've been experiencing. I've been washing my hair with the dupe version and it's not it. I don't want to waste the product, but it's not it. So if you are doing a lot of exercising like me and washing your hair a lot, you need to protect it at the same time. Now the cool thing about this product, unlike other brands that you might find at Target or Walmart or something like that, is I feel like I keep needing to use a lot to feel like it's doing its job in the water. But this, you just need a really small amount and it does like wonders. This is why our hairdressers are like, stop buying this brand, this brand, this brand, and invest in good hair care. It just makes sense. Now I'm like, I get it, I get it. And that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. As always, a link to everything that you've seen in this video in order of appearance will be down in the description box below. Let me know if you guys need any other suggestions, or maybe you guys have some suggestions of products that I need to try. Let me know in the comments below. And as always, take care, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye!